Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's white to play and win. These pawns are going forward in this direction and black pawn is going downward in this direction. So here it's white to play and win, and if you found the right move and the right technique, it's very simple to win this end game. I mean, once you understand the idea behind it, it's going to be a lot easy for you to find the winning idea, the winning move. So go ahead, pause the video and test the move. Okay, here you might play bishop, promoting to a bishop, and notice now a quick disclaimer: if we promote to a queen or a rook, this creates a pin on the king, and the king obviously can't move. That would result in a stalemate. So I hope you see that previously, and I assume that you are going to just know that by default. So you might play here a bishop so that we just safely promote a queen, and with a discovered check we are going to win the next move. You might say that's a really nice idea and you are not losing here, but that is not the right technique. I mean, that is not the efficient move available. There is more efficient and precise move in this position. But let's see. The bishop will play here, defending this, the h8 square. So we have to play king to f5. Yeah, we have to play king to f5. But now, no, it's king to f5 is not the correct move. Actually, to play here is the correct move, the bishop to d6. So the idea is to deflect the bishop and to give a check, and this would be just checkmate, right? So that is the idea, but bishop cannot take this. Obviously bishop will play bishop to a1, so black will play bishop to a1. So what do? We just play here and play here and just promote. So that is your idea. I mean, it's a very nice idea, but there is a better way to do this, right? So the thing is, if we play here, you might assume when the bishop moves here somewhere, for example here, we just play here a check, and the king of course can't move, so the bishop has to block, and this is checkmate. So you might assume this, but if you play this move, bishop will play d6, and the bishop is protecting the f8 square. Yes, we can get a queen here, but the bishop will block this way. So we have to promote to here a bishop or something, a knight like that, to just disconnect and win. But still, this is not the right move to play, because still this is just very there are so many moves we need to play. So still this is not the efficient way to solve this puzzle. So the correct move is to play king to f5, and now the bishop has to play somewhere. Like, the bishop is the only piece that can move. So if the bishop moves here, all we have to do is just promote a new queen and just win on the next move like this. But you might say, in this position, after we play to f5, the bishop can play here, and we can't take this. Obviously, if we take, for example, the king will escape this way, and of course this is not the efficient way, and this is not the right way to do so, right? So the idea of this move will fascinate you. We just promote to a queen, and notice we are going to just deliver checkmate on the next move this way, right? So even though black takes the bishop this way, we just teleport the bishop to move to h8 in style, and we just finish the game on f8. And promoting into a rook also works. So this is the solution of the puzzle. I think you found this puzzle very interesting. Make sure to hit that like button, it will appreciate me. Thank you for watching. Bye.